Here today, putting together an exhaust on the Ranger. And also about to bang out this bend on the KF. Taking the Jeep to the parts store to get piping that we need. I think this video is going to be our either 99th or 100th upload.
Holy shit.
This Jeep we worked on in the second video we made.
Oh yeah. It hasn't
Or it may have been the first one as well. This Jeep was in like the first and second video.
It hasn't needed anything.
Yeah.
This still has like original clutch from 1999.
And your dad wants to get rid of this for a Corvette.
Maybe, yeah.
Got the glass pack to go on the Ranger.
You already know.
With all the extra piping and adapters.
They made this shit for doing it on a Ranger. It's gonna be perfect.
This is gonna be so janky. Here's the situation. We got all the piping down here. We're just piecing them all together from front to back. Just try and quiet this thing down. Prep the cherry bomb for welds. Just sanded the paint away on each of the sides. It's about to go in.
Things happen.
Things happen. Smells like a birthday cake candle.
Oh yeah, this is probably the cheapest welder we could get.
Yeah, this is like the Harbor Freight one, isn't it? Yeah. Chirac Electric.
Yeah. Look at that. You ain't seen dimes like that on one of these.
First extension pipe going on. So the plan is to have the cherry bomb connected to the back of the cat, and then this slipped in. The back of the cat's a 2 1/4. What's at the back of the car is 2 inch. So we're kind of stepping it down bit by bit. With the next extension that'll go in this, it'll be 2 inch to slip over the back pipe of the truck. Got the whole thing pieced together. Got it just hanging in right now. Gonna tack it in and full welds on it. After this last pipe just goes over the axle and out the side. Out to here. Cool. 1 weld, 2 weld, 3 weld, 4 and 5. 1 piece with the baling wire. Might make that better, probably not.
Holy hell! I can hear it leaking pretty bad. It's more like a air whistling noise than actual exhaust note. But yeah, when you started it up, like all the smoke and everything just shot out the back of the pipe. So at least it's getting like the majority of the flow for sure out of the back. You hear it.
Yeah, where's it rattling though? Can you tell? I gotta hold the brake because there's no parking brake.
Okay. Be rattling against the frame. It feels like it's rattling in the back, right?
Yeah, it sounds like.
I could see where it is.
Okay.
It might just be because it's raised up so high.
Mission success with that exhaust. So now we're gonna move on to this VSKF. Having a bend right here, and it's so much that like the wheel isn't flat on the ground when it's laying flat. So I'm gonna just try and hammer it out, I guess. Just an easy hammer. Took some heat and some hard hammer hits to it. You can tell it's still bent, but like it does look better. It still wobbles. I guess is this flat. I don't know. It looks better, but it's not perfect. I think I'm just gonna send it. When these get rebuilt, it'll get a new barrel, but we got a drift event coming up and these are gonna have to be my spares, so it's just gonna have to do for now.
The KFs are just gonna have to be the spares. I mean,
this thing is so much quieter now. I mean, you can still hear it because I got all the windows open.